Oh. I heard the best bite in barbecue was pork belly burnt ends. I have a huge thing of pork belly. People also call it like pork candy. I don't know. Look at the nipple. You're gonna poke a bunch of little holes all over the skin. Now we're just gonna like cube it up. 1-inch square cubes. Okay. Mwah. Now that we have all of our pork belly in a bowl, Dijon. Ew. Clean hands. Just massage that all in there. Grab your favorite barbecue rub. Rain on pepper. Fully coat all sides. I'm gonna let this like soak up in the fridge while I start my smoker. Left it in the smoker for 3 hours, but we're not done yet. Butter. We're gonna add that onto our pork belly candies. Okay, last but not least, you need a good barbecue sauce. I like to use Primal Kitchen's barbecue sauce. Lather that in there. Have a bite. Oh. Now back in the smoker for an hour. Perfect.
Come back to watch me eat it.